もしもし
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm just going to start off this video by telling you all that my day always starts off drinking a lot of water, and I do this on an empty stomach for as long as possible. It keeps me energized and I like how I feel in the morning when I do this, and I only proceed to eat my fruits later on in the day when it is I start to feel peckish. On this particular morning I decided to eat half of a melon or cantaloupe, and it was in season, really sweet and yummy, and I had me a nice big bowl of that. In the afternoon I went ahead and had my coffee, a nice strong coffee that I put milk in. I do not put any sugar in it, and I had a pastry. It's called Jesuit and it's extremely sweet. So this was basically me having my breakfast in the afternoon, and when I'm hungry in between that I might snack on some fruit again. Here is some saltfish which I rinsed in water and then put to boil, and this is what it looks like once I take off all of the bones and things like that. And I'm just going to prepare my vegetables. So here I am mincing up some garlic. I think this is like 2 grains or maybe 3 small grains of garlic. I just minced that up really small. Then I'm going to cut a big onion into cubes. The cubes, I do them more like on the smaller side, small to medium, but if you want, some people like to do them in slices, some people like to do them in chunks. I typically cut them like small to medium size, especially like things that children want to, like if my daughter wants to like pick out certain veggies and mince them up even smaller. And if you have a processor, it's really good for this because you can mince them as small as you would like in a really short period of time. So I'm going to add some oil to a pot. Now I start heating the pot on a more high fire, and when I start to add the onions and garlic, I make sure that the fire is low to medium. I let that cook for about 2 minutes. I stir it in, and later on I add in my sweet peppers. And if you want, you could add celery, you could add leeks, you could really mix this up. I even add carrots sometimes. It tastes really great with carrots. Here I'm adding in my cleaned saltfish. And I'm just going to cover that for about 2 minutes, and then once it sweats a little bit, it makes a little liquid in there, I proceed to add my chopped tomatoes. Now I don't like to overcook my veggies, especially like the tomatoes and things, so I'm just going to cover it on a low fire while I cut up some fresh basil leaves, as well as parsley. And if you don't have it fresh, the frozen ones work really good. I find the flavor comes out really nicely once you put it into the hot food. You still get that taste of fresh basil if you have them frozen. So I add that in, and here when I add it in, my fire is off. I turn off the fire when I add in the celery and the basil, and then it's ready to serve. I'm using dumplings. This is a mixture of flour, water and salt, but you can easily use macaroni or some kind of pasta. It goes really well with rice as well, with the saltfish, so you don't necessarily have to do it like that, like I am, but this is the typical Trini way. and when I'm seasoning it, I put like a little salt and pepper. I don't overdo it. So that's it for what I ate in a day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.